What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's my son's 5th birthday, so say happy birthday, everybody. Gonna have a big party for him today with his friends, and it should be a really great time. So happy birthday to my son. I love you so much. Without further ado, let's jump into the tech news. We only have one story today, but it is I like it. I'm interested in it because it's the Oppo Find N2 flip phone. It's going to be the competitor to the Galaxy Z flip phone, but theirs looks a little bit different, and I'll have to say maybe a little bit, it doesn't look as sexy, but a little bit more functional. Now, I'm not going to really show the phone, so if you want to see the phone, check the link down below. There's a little 2-second, 3-second video on Twitter that's floating around. I don't want to get a copyright strike, so that's why I'm not going to show it, but I will talk about it. Basically, when the phone flips, you know, and you have it folded over, it's almost like it has, like, see how the cutout here, this whole cutout right here, it's almost like one kind of small little smartphone screen. It's something like what you can do with the regular Samsung flip phones, but theirs seems bigger and potentially more functional. It's like, it's big, definitely bigger. It's almost like two of these. If you put these, you know, squares both down, it's almost like that. It looks pretty big. It looks like you're gonna be able to control a lot more on the phone maybe than what you can on your Samsung phone. And then again, it flips down like a traditional Galaxy Z flip phone. I think this is great because the other part of this is that Ice Universe put out a tweet saying that the Oppo Find N2 Flip will be released all over the world, which will put some pressure on Samsung. Also, to add on to that, Ross Young is saying that Samsung's display panel is being used, but at a higher price. So it seems like the Oppo Find N2 Flip will probably be a little bit more expensive than what you can get with just a traditional Samsung Galaxy Z flip phone. Maybe, you know, more functional, especially on the outside of the display, which honestly, I'm not huge into those, you know, regular flip phones that Samsung puts out, or even this one per se. But if I was going to be more interested in hardware-wise, I would want a bigger outside display on there so that I can have more functionality, so I don't have to always open it up. So it's really, really cool. Check out, I definitely recommend looking at the description in the video of this and checking that stuff out. But let me know what you guys think in the comments down below about, you know, flip phones versus folding phones. Which ones do you like more and why? Let me know in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's jump into our Q&A section. Before we do, if you have a question, leave a comment in the comments down below of any of my videos. Put the hash word question and I will answer your question. All right, first question comes from Tyler. Do you think Samsung will release anything new along with the S23 series, watches, earbuds, etc.? Definitely not a new watch. Probably maybe a new tablet, but I don't even think they'll do that at that point. If they do a new tablet, it'll probably be a budget one like the Samsung Galaxy S8 Fan Edition. Earbuds, maybe like if they do the Galaxy Buds Live 2 or something along those lines, or Galaxy Buds 3, just the regular version. But I don't know, I would assume so because they usually do. I know they're coming out with a new battery pack, but it looks very similar to the last ones. Right now, I want to say no, but they have to because they usually do. So if my guess would be a budget tablet, and then something along those above that would probably be earbuds, but you would think we're hearing something about, and seeing too, about something new about earbuds coming out. And the last question comes from Subscription, says, did you notice a weight difference between the Fold 3 and Fold 4? It took me ages to get used to the Fold 3, but took no time at all with the Fold 4, but some of my friends have the 3 is lighter. I think they're mad. Yeah, I didn't notice a difference really at all between the Fold 3 and the Fold 4, so I didn't weigh them. I believe there is a slight weight difference, but it's not much, so I would say your friends are crazy. There you guys go. Thanks for your questions. If you have a question, again, leave it in the comments down below of any of my videos with the hashtag question, and I'll answer 2 questions every day for the month of December. Have a great day. We'll see you down the road. Peace.